Hello, all. Today we'll begin a new chapter that is about PowerPoint presentation. I hope in your previous classes all you have made presentation. So in this chapter we will see what are the different views in presentation and what are the use of it. So let's begin. So views of a presentation refers to the ways in which you can display presentation content. For example, you just want a bigger look of whole slide, or you just want to see the outline of text, or you want to see all the slides together, so and so on. For just different types of slides, working with slides you require different views so that you can edit individual slides, you can capturing broad ideas and writing outlines, you are editing and writing speaker notes, you are rearranging the slides for your presentation. So all this purpose served by views. Okay, so let's see multiple views in the PowerPoint. So here first of all I will go to open PowerPoint in my computer. Here you can see a PowerPoint is open. Now I will select blank presentation, but I already made one presentation that I will open here. So as you can see, this presentation I made for class 9 students. So we will use this presentation as an example to explain you different views. So yes, let's check out. First we will click on view tab. Okay, so here you can see different views are opened. First of all you can see normal view, then outline view, then slide sorter view, then notes page view, then reading view, and then after slide master, handout master, notes master. Okay, so in this video we will talk about all these views. So first view is the normal view, which is the default view. Here you can see three different panes, okay, in which first is outline, the slide area, in which you can add your title and content and all. Okay, so basically we are using this view for writing our slide normally, so this is called the normal view. It is used for editing the content of a slide. So here you can see I have selected the outline view, in which you can jump between different views in your slide. See all of you, in your screen you can see I have made a number of slides, okay, and all you can see is the slides together in one particular pane. Okay, here if I'll click on particular name, and I'll be moving to that particular slide. Yes, as you can see here, I made total 52 slides. Okay, if I want to change something in my slide, then I'll select, suppose CRT monitors, if I'll change the color red, so I'll be getting the red color of my text. Okay, so selected slides change you can make from here. So this is called the outline view. My next view is slide sorter view. See thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation to easily rearrange them. Okay, as you can see on your screen, you can rearrange the slide as you wish. Okay, it's get easy because you can see the thumbnails of your slides, right? So for us it is very easy to rearrange it. It is an ideal view for deleting or rearranging slides. Click, drag, and you will be getting the new position. third view, notes page, in which you can see how your presentation will look when you print out with notes. Okay, each page will contain one slide and its speaker notes, which you can edit with this view. As you can see here, we have some sample, we have given some space in which you can write your notes, and when you go to normal view, you can see that note at just below. As you can see my cursor on the screen, yes, we have inserted one note and that note is to be come here. So this is our notes page view. Here we talk about the last view, that is reading view. So once you click on reading view, it's showing a presentation in a window. Okay, you can see your presentation in a window size. So yes, when you click on next, it will be showing like a window. So this shows that the slide fits within the window, and you can change to this view when you want to. So now here we can see, we will see our last view, that is slide master view. Before that we can see our slide is looking like all in black color, as you can see in your slide, right? We have written all the things in black color. Now we will use the slide master and see the change. So we'll select the slide master, then after we are changing the titles color, that is red, and the subtitles, I mean whatever we text we have given to that particular slide, we are changing it to blue color. So now we can close this slide master, and you can see this effect is applied to my all the slides. So in this way you can use the slide master. See, all the titles are coming like this. So here you can make one master slide, and according to that your number of slides are working.